Get that dime over there too. Sorry, hold that shaft. Go.
Yep, I felt it pop in play. So I know how to do that now.
Yeah, your 4L60 is not much different. 704 is different. You don't have a snap ring right there, but
basically do the same thing like you do your pump style, going in and make sure it goes all in.
yeah, once you get to this point, you put the case saver in here. It's a little metal wire ring on a 700 instead of aluminum piece like this. But then you'll put this in. As soon as you get this in, and then your sunshell goes in next. When you put in your sunshell, make sure you grease that fucking
Thrust washer
real well.
Alright.
Then you put forward planted in. As soon as you get your forward planted in on the 4L60 700R4, this is where your next snap ring goes, where your first snap ring goes.
So we just put the reverse shit in.
Well, no, there's not one at the back. The first one I put in, there's not one there on yet.
Okay, good.
It's right here, right in front of the shell.
Oh, cool.
It's a little yellow bastard. Even in the aftermarket kits, they come yellow.
Okay.
So nobody forgets where the yellow snap ring came from.
Thank God I got them pliers at the house.
So these motherfuckers are still a pain in the ass. This is a small snap ring. Motherfucker. This one's easier to use than that big little screwdriver and pick, spread it over.
Spread it and pop it down, huh? I've always done them.
CG, you're being quiet over there. You alright?
This makes no sense.
What?
It said, dealer is wrong. Revving the engine to the red line makes the pistons go all the way to the top of the engine where
I saw that the other day.
I'm like, what?
People believe what they read on the internet.
Just like they're telling people to reverse their batteries for wintertime, where they blow hot air instead of cold air. I wonder how many motherfuckers really done that.
You'd be surprised how many people have actually did that.
Them burnt out their whole computer system.
Oh, why? You know no better.
Damn.
Turbo 350 is very important for this next little piece to come into place. It's a plastic bushing. This is very important. Without this little sucker right here, it fits down onto this and goes down into here, keeps that from wallowing around inside there. People leave that out, it fucks shit up.
Okay. It's basically like a spacer in there. It keeps it in, parallel to the shaft where it don't wobble. Gotcha.
Keeps it in alignment,
Yeah.
Always lube the shit out of it.
I'll have to get me some of that lube.
Alright. Now, we open up this clutch pack. Place these clutches. Go ahead and open up that thing. Why are there so many of these motherfuckers? What's every set look like?
It's got the smaller one. Well, grab it
Two
up.
sets. Secondary clutches are identical. That's fucking wild. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We had 5 intermediate clutches. There's 5.
You gotta reverse each one of them grooves.
5 of these. Look.
Make sure there was no restriction.
That heavy drum, that bitch is heavy.
Oh shit, it sure the hell
It
is.
doesn't look like it's that damn heavy, but it is.
Is that stock too? Or upgraded?
This is everything on top of it's upgraded.
At least they did something different from stock. That makes me feel better. $3,500, it better have something different than stock.
Amen.
Always worried about stacking them, man. I know. I'm pretty confident doing this.
It's easy to do.
Yes, sir. All I have to do is grab me a few tools, and that'll be the only thing I need to do. Pump puller, a few little other things.
Goddamn distractions.
Yeah, no, I'm sorry.
You're fucking up over there.
Don't worry about explaining nothing else to me. Just do the job, and I'll record and play back and watch it later.
No, they put the snapper in, hold the center support in place. Yeah. Worried about showing you this, where these snap rings went. I forgot about it.
Time me to step back and record and let you take care of it. Everything really fits good, I'll tell you that.
You just gotta know how to put it in. There's a method to all the madness. It's better than nothing. Make sure you put 5 quarts of fluid in this sucker before you start it up.
Show you some break-in stuff. Yeah, because most stuff basically broke in.
That's just a waste of money. I mean, there's nothing really to break in.
Gotcha.
If it works, it works. If it doesn't, it broke.
Hey, that's logic thinking. Shit.
That's the only way to look at it.
I would be giving me one of them picks, I'll tell you that.
Oh man, the whole set that I got's nice, but you can't get them anyhow. Wait and go.
Now, what's that right there called again?
That's your direct drum. This is your reverse input. Your intermediate clutches go inside of it. And your band rides on the outside of it.